folks, today we're going to cover a very interesting topic that is being increasingly discussed in workplaces around India, non-conscious bias. In today's workplace, non-conscious bias can have a profound impact on hiring, employee experience, and retention. Let's delve into what non-conscious bias is and how it affects the workplace, as well as strategies to mitigate its effects. Non-conscious bias refers to the unconscious judgments that we make based on our past experiences, stereotypes, or gut instincts without sufficient data or information. These biases can influence our decisions in hiring, promotions, and daily interactions at work. In the hiring process, non-conscious bias can lead to equally qualified candidates being overlooked due to biases held by employers. For example, an employer may have a negative bias about individuals from a certain region of India, and conversely, have a favorable bias for those from another region. This can result in a less diverse workforce, limiting the talent pool and hindering organization growth. Further, non-conscious bias affects the employee experience, causing morale to suffer as employees feel hesitant to share new ideas or fully contribute to projects. This lack of diversity in thought stifles creativity and innovation in the workplace. Employee retention is also impacted, as talented individuals may feel undervalued and unappreciated when decisions are made based on bias rather than merit. This can lead to turnover and a loss of valuable talent for the organization. However, there are conscious efforts we can make to address non-conscious bias at the workplace. Firstly, educate yourself about different cultures and backgrounds to better understand and appreciate diversity. Secondly, practice active listening and respect the perspective of others, even if they differ from your own. Third, do regularly reflect on how your words and actions may impact others, and acknowledge mistakes when they occur. Lastly, be an ally by actively challenging potential biases and promoting fair treatment in the workplace. Of course, Rainmaker is always here to assist should you require more information or guidance on how to create more inclusive workplaces. By actively challenging and mitigating non-conscious biases, we can create a more inclusive, equitable, and successful workplace for everyone. Thank you for watching.